uh, in the last lecture we have learned the two type IOC container, bean factory and application context, but we don't know uh, the bean factory and application context because we have just introduced you कि we have two type of IOC container. So in this lecture we will understand bean factory and application context. So stay here and understand the difference and these two things. Okay, so coming to the point, let's understand what is the bean factory. So in the we have in factory package we have two type of context. Okay, so how we'll understand? So you can go and check the package or class. So we have a spring org, sorry, org is in the small letter, so you can org a spring framework, spring framework, sorry, framework dot beans dot factory. Remember, stay and remember. Now in this package, this is a very small package, this is a very small package, and we have a method, we have a class bean factory. What is it? We have a class bean factory. Okay, sorry, this is the interface, this is the interface, and other is also interface, sorry. So we have two interfaces, bean factory and application context. Okay, this one and another is same, we have to copy from here, not in the context, we have from here to here context, and then here we have context, we have context dot application context. We have two things. Okay, the first one we have what we have, the first one we have this one, and second one we have these two. Okay, remember these two. So we have two packages and both these two interfaces, you can say these two interfaces acts as IOC container. Remember, always remember these two interface, these two are interface, and they are act as what they used to act as a container. Okay, what container? IOC container. So bean factory is a very basic you can say IOC container, but as application context have some extra functionality than bean factory, like it has simple integration with a spring IOC, message resource handling, I18, you can say some event propagations features are there, some application layer are added, like web application context is there for web application. So these things are there in application context rather than in bean factory. So if we have to implement application better, we should go better to use application context than bean factory. So how we will do that? So let's understand first what are the points that I told you. So uh, application context, what application context have, application context have what have, application context have extra functionality uh, than bean factory interface. Okay, such as, how, what we can say, such as we can write a simple integration we can write. Okay, with spring AOP concept, we will understand AOP, spring AOP, we can say we have message resource handling, I18 and I18 is a message resource handling features is there. that have in the application context. Some event handling feature propagation is there. Event handling propagation is there. Okay, and propagation is there. Some application context is there. Application layer specific context is there. Text like web application context is there. So these things have this is used for web application. Okay, so remember these things, it will help you in the interview too. Okay, so this is the very so it is very good that we have application context and we have so many features, and if you don't want to go for much features, you just go for bean factory. So in the next lecture we will understand how to implement application context and bean factory. So stay connected with us and understand the implementation part of application context and the bean factory IOC containers. Okay, thank you guys. Yes, subscribe my channel to get more updates from programmingshift.com.